Good morning, everyone. Hi, this is your simple and fun family. I have to cook, everyone. Almost 11 o'clock. I cook for the lunch. Let's go. Ay, cooking for lunch, everyone. Grabe, naghahan ng trabaho, everyone. So many work. I was already, I was already, wash the laundry, and then after that, halay, after that is, while I'm waiting, I make the cleaning the house, grabe. Gahan ng trabaho, everyone. Super many things to do, Laban lang. Laban lang tayo sa buhay. Saon man. Ano man itong life. I hope all is okay. Gabayan na tayo ni Lord. Nagka-problema pa yun ako ang messenger. Hindi na ako ka-text. Sige ang garaw niya. Pinipitungod sa akong mga ipang-upload. I don't know. Grabe, ay akong iriso na itong uban. Ay, parang mabalik ito kong messenger. Naunsoy. Ay, my goodness. Problema sa Lisa's messenger. Natani makakontak. WhatsApp raw, Facebook, YouTube. Ko ang messenger is that always turning around. Natukan ako na. Natukan. O sa kuan pag-iuhaw pa imong tubig. My goodness, ambot na unsa. Ay, Diyos ko God. I hope paulian rin ako messenger. Nako buhay. Tagaan mo Diyos Lisa problema. Sao naman na pag-text na to ani ron itong pamilya nga na nagsigir ang mag-round ako ang messenger everyone oy. Unsa ni? Excuses everybody kay kita subawan ani trabaho. Magtuwa tagis kay everyone. We have to cook everyone for lunch. Kay my honey is there to the other side. Make him office later he will go to his office Today morning he doesn't go. Maybe after lunch he will go because anybody will come in the house today. We have already a new carpet. We have already tipik. A new carpet there in the room. The bed lang we have to bring there So magtanaw sa taog abatay isagol para sa tinuwa oy. Sibuyas I need og sibuyas dahonan og kuan everyone kanang tangad. Kailangan natay tangad para mawa nitong or maus-us itong dugo kay maayo ni tangad sa high blood Very good tangad sa high blood. Ay, mag-check na po ako ang mga kuan o tanong. Hanglan sa tubigan. Magutiring pa ko sa kong plant Tangad everyone, lemongrass. Sagol sa tinuwa Magtulat Lemongrass everyone Sagol to sa tinuwa everyone Very good yung lemongrass everyone. Oy, good for health. Us imong dugo we have to make it lemongrass Usa lang ka sibuyas kay I have mini Bombay, sibuyas Bombay. Magtuwat, I make a fish soup everyone because my daughter said, Ma, I like the fish soup with rice. I cook the rice, that's small ya. He said to me, she said to me, Ma, you have to make it, Ma. Fish soup, Maya. Fish soup, she like, with rice. Okay, everyone, bitter dan da karni. Magsilbis lisa na karni, mutaasan kong dugo na, Magtikir taani na. Not easy na. Anaon lang yan ako, everyone, isud lang siya dito kay, ug ako ang tungaon pa. Magsilbi, magkatag-katag. Magkatag-katag. Ay, my goodness, God. Katak-katak. Katak-katak ya. 11 o'clock naman good almost. Kinahangla, tani magsugod kay. Daliar, makipot ng time. Oy, mangutaw pa ko. May para ayon, oy. Grabe, oy. 6 o'clock. I wake up, everyone. 6 o'clock. Kaya ang mga bata ang school man ya. Kinahanglan, ready lang breakfast ya. Grabe, buhay inahan, oy. Life of the mother is not easy, oy. It's not easy. Life of the mother is not easy. Arat na ning akong tingog kay pag uli gahapon sa walking between Switzerland and Germany. Drink water cold a little bit. Na ako ang voice is a little bit na ayup di ta ubuhon na di. Tuan lang timplahan daan para ready na. Timplahan. Salt ya. Cubes, 1 cubes ya. Buhay nanay, laban lang tayo. Go, go, go. Sa ako matani nga dati sa our life. I'm looking where is for always you're looking Lisa ya. Vegetables ya. I like vegetables everyone. Oh, everyone. Every day Lisa salad every night. Every day. Every day I love you. Sagol na tinula everyone. Tuwa sa gulang tinuwa ni. Asal mo itong ako ang. Kaya. Waon ito ni daot everyone. Daot maguni siya basta dili kuha plastic. I forgot maguday arin maguday direct. Kailangan siyang we have to take off in the plastic because is getting kaput ya. With plastic is getting wet, getting getting wet. Sayang masira lang Mahal para. Diyos ko. I-ready na nato atong recipe everyone kay para ready to fight na. Naon ni siya everyone. Simple lang Simple. Like me. Simple and fun family. Di na ko ihurot everyone Daghan ra. Tungaon ra na. Half only. Half. Kay kung atong ihurot wala na sa sunod. Numura po next. Budgeton lang rin nato Dami ang gimisi vegetables I like it. Madami ra magod ni ihurot daghan ra. So sa rip ni kay kaning sobra para ni sa sunod ya. The next cooking. Everyone, saon man Nani ilabay ko ni siya sa green. Green nga trust ka niya. Gilok ilong everyone, gilok. Tuwa sa ning hugasan everyone oh. Hugasan ni nato. Pichay everyone pichay. Pichay nga tag-as. Para sagos kinuha. Nahanglan tag sabaw uy kapuyan man na puro laba ano mag-ugar tag kaon uy. Nahanglan na naatay vegetables in the stomach ya. Frozen lang ako ang beans. Frozen. Di na ko makahuwat oy kay nangano time is very quick. Make it para ayon. Make this one kay my husband will go in the after lunch. Go in the office ya. Tuan ni ana or hiwa everyone. Importante everyone ya. Uli to akong anak will go home she will go home may daughter for lunch ya. Kailangan ta magluto. Nahanglan ta mag-cooking everyone. We have to cook. Para that we have a foods ya. Ay, Diyos ko, everybody, help me. Smile lang nato na itong mga problema, everybody. Saon. Buhay bilang ina is nanay na mama is always busy mama. Go mama. Mura naman ni siya o gamay oy muhiyos ra duway ni siya inigluto ihurot na lang ni oy. Ambot oy basta madaot ra ni siya. Malapta. Mura ra o gamay. Inikit lang yung pili si brigadi oy. Nakuan na mo siya everyone saingan ana malanay na siya ba nikaluto musmol na. Okay. So that's it everyone ya. Anahan ako anak aning dahon-dahon nakabusog. Eating full if you have vegetables ya. Without vegetables, uga. Gauga. Mas mabuting mayroong dahon-dahon, vegetables. Hindi naman siya maluto. Maglunod pagdingo naman siya. Kaya hindi man po magsilbing malata. Da, everyone ora. Vegetables. Leaves ya. Yung awas na kung kanin everybody oh, awas na everyone. Dung agos lisaw. Duha ka cup na awas na. Duha ka scoop ya akong gidung duha ka cup. Okay. Lunod to tangad everyone, tangad. I buy this one in the Portugal store. Portugal ya. Lunod to everyone. Kailangan ready ang foods everyone pagkatapos pagka lunch time kay uwi ang anak ko sa lunch. Ha, sabi niya, magluluto daw ako ng fish soup. I have to cook the fish soup at the rice. She said, yeah. Kung bati inahan. Ay, Diyos ko, God. Kung bati inahan, Diyos, ya. Like that, ang inahan, the mother, ya. The mother is like this, ya. Ikang di siya sugasan kay mahawan-hawan ta. Hawak mo ang tip, hawak mo ang saya, sa bawat galaw. Hawak mo ang tip, hihilan, hanggang sa muling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang saon, matani, maadik yung tani everyone. Maadik na tayo hawak-hawak ya. Ay, Diyos ko. Sayaw na natug kadiyo ay para mabawog ditong hawak oy. Kay wala ang tani sayaw sayaw. Sa numero ko diskus Lisa. Hawak, hawak, hawak. Hawak, hawak, hawak kamay. Sos, hawak mo ang bait, hawak mo ang sigaw. Sigaw sa buong mundo. 5 minutes na lang. And then 11 o'clock na. The time is very, very so cold. Yeah. Very quick the time, everyone. Oy. Very quick the time. Ghost tired si Lisa. Yeah. I forgot to own the because I have to wash the laundry one time. Then I have to halay o hangka. Then after that, I make finish my vacuum. The other side and this side. Imagine. 6 o'clock I start. Yeah. No more sitting, Lisa. No more sit down. No more sit down. Tired na everyone. Ay, Diyos ko God. Tired na. Is go tired everybody. Make ready na everyone ya. Hinaw na punta kay touching ta. Ready na akong fish. Oy, I was already this one. Oy. Magtuwa ta everyone. Fish soup. Tuna fish ya. Oh, tuna fish ya. Very nice everyone. Oh, my favorite ya. I will cook 3 everyone. 3. Kay 1 for my husband, 1 for my daughter, and 1 for me. It's enough. That's only that ya. Buhay inahan. Life go. Go. Wa mango ni pakusgi. Volume siya oy. Oh, nagdugay is long waiting kay I do not make volume. I do not make volume. Now volume na ya. Grabe everyone. Now it's hot. Now in the morning is very cold. The morning everyone. 4 degree in the morning. Now it's 16 degree na. 15 or 16 ya. Later I have to give water my plant. All the plant ya I have to give water ya. Watering plant. Ay, my God, my life. Go, my life always ya. Hinaya na ning akong kanin everyone kay is already nahubas naman siya. Is already no more water ya. No more water. Mudukot unya. Kuha nang ipahinayan kayo. It's already cooked I think almost ya. Almost. Problema ang messenger release sa everyone ha. Sige, turning around my messenger. Messenger with me is turning around always. I don't know. How can I send message na? My God. I don't know what happened my messenger. Natukaan tiyala ng messenger Lisa. Always turning around. My husband will check already and my son is always the same. Always the same. Very nice the weather. Oh. I'm happy. So the sun will go out today. The sun will go out today. I'm very happy. When it's good weather, I'm very happy. When it's raining, I cannot go out always with you. It's not good. No. Later, sunny, sunny. Yeah. I like, but I have to go in the shadow. I have allergy. The sun here, I have allergy. Yeah. My hiding Lisa in the shadow. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. I have allergy. Sunny allergy. I have sun allergy. Because the sun here is very dry. It's not like in the Philippines, you're getting wet. Here is dry. Your skin is very dry. That's why you put lotion every day. Crack, the getting crack is like a little on your skin if you are direct in the sun. Yeah. I have to take care. Yeah. Mga tao dire, wa ko kita na gapayong ang nagipayo kanira. That is only from the Asia. Asia. Japanese, Korean, China. Just only that. They will make it to use umbrella, yeah. But the rest is no, I didn't sew with umbrella. And it's hot, no. Sometimes I will wear the kalo only, sonin hot. Because anybody will say, why will you use my umbrella? Lisa, oy nga. Very nice, man, the weather. It doesn't know I have allergy. I have allergy in the sun. Uh-huh. The sun will hit me here. My doctor said, the sun will love you. That's why. When I was to the doctor, he will check me. The sun will love you. That's why. Because you have a nice skin. See, he said to me, the boy, ba my doctor, boy, boy, you have to take off all, the bra is okay, and the panty, you have to take off all, you will check, Mhm. That's why you have a skin allergy because the sun will like you, the, the sun will like you, yeah. Ha! My God, I said the sun will hate me because I have asthma. I have my skin is very eating is goes kaput. I mean, is not good on my skin, yeah. Nunod na nato everyone. Isda everyone da, tuna fish da. 3 pieces. 3 pieces only I have to put inside now. Kay soon my honey will eat, yeah. After eating my hand, will go. He said to me, they will go. I'm very boring now everyone because my kids is in the school now. In the school now. My kids is in the school now, yeah. Maybe later I will, yeah, I cannot go out today. Maybe I don't know. It's depend, yeah. It's depend. Lunod na nato ni everyone kamatis, everyone para maluto siya. Ampay sa akong anak bayi. Kamatis, kuhaan na siya gliso, ang kuan. Ko ang gagmay okay ra ni kay tamis man ni cherry tomaten. Tomato. Tamis. Lunod na tong sibuyas bombay everyone. Ang sibuyas dahonan. We will put together, yeah. Dali ra maluto ang isda everyone. Ima na siya kinahanglan lataan kaayo. Madali ra ni siya, madali. Taon, my daughter said, you have to cook, mama. You have to cook what I said. Ma-angry that if I do not make, yeah, who's angry? Nahanglan mukaon og tarong akong mga anak kay nangano school oy. Nahanglan og power. Nahanglan og power. To magud siya oy, basa magud. To. Ay, the time is very quick everybody oy, nalok oh. 11:05 na, 11:05. 11 o'clock 5 na minutes ya. Hawak mo ang bib, hawak mo ang saya sa bawat galaw. Hawak mo ang titigilan hanggang sa muling tugtog ng sayawan. Hawak mo ang bib, hawak mo ang bait. Ay, Diyos ko, Kitty, hawak Lisa. Ida, salah na to hawak-hawak everybody, oy da. Oy, Diyos ko, God. My God. Hawak-hawak ya. Saon man hawak-hawak. Tuon sa nila nato bitili a little bit ng fish at saka tomato everyone, tomato. I said to my husband, fish soup only I make today. No problem siya, tayo eat, no problem. Eat yun, kay no more special Lisa today. Anyway, no bones at everyone. Special fish I buy. 2 year ya. Expensive ya. Expensive ya. Mahal. Mahal. Tuon sa na to everyone ha. Ang kuan everyone tomato. Kay gahi pang tumitong dagko. Mailar man ang gagmay kamukurak man a little bit ya. Ang big one is still and gahi. Still hard. like it everyone oh. Ay, Diyos ko God. I'm getting crazy without music, everyone. Without music dancing. Patay. Sakit abagan Lisa oy. After cooking, I was there under the other side. I put a curtain ya. I put a curtain to the other room there ya. Because I was first ya. And everyone, very good yung supa everyone. Special yun eh. Special yun yung supa everyone ya. Ang gusto ng akong bana ni sa grill, in the grill ya, suba. Manahan na siya grill kaysa tinuwa. No choice kaya kung anak gasaan kung anak I have to cook fish soup ya. Tilawan sa nato everyone ha, tilawan sa nato everyone. Tilawan sa nato kay wata kay bawo ini sa parat ba, tabaang ba. Tabang man oy. Tabang. Para na ako okay ra pero parang mara trabas Lisa. Umaga may asin may buwan at saka kanila. This one lami ni siya. Very nice ya. Klaro di na malami oy. Aromat. Importante nga naatay ko ano foods oy sus. Importante nga natay foods everyone. Important, very important everyone ya. Ay, Diyos ko God. Uy, wala, marinil ako na street, no? Like that. Na ang abuhan ni Lisa Daan dire. Like that. Ay, like that everyone. Tapos, ang laban ko everyone, one time ulit ay laba. One time. Ayaw gani kay nasudra siya. Nasudra. So, sing machine one time ya. Very full sing machine. Kailangan talaga mag washing ko sa mga clothes sa dirty la. Be, tilawan na po nato everyone be. Tilawan na po be. Be, I hope it's okay na. Nahanglan tilawan everyone kay unsay lami oy. Yummy everyone. Yummy. Tamis ang sabaw jud everyone. Tamis ya. Ni ah. Uy, pahinaya na ka oy. Tamis yung sabaw. Kalamay. Kalamay sa buhol. Kalamay sa buhol everyone. Look, oh, very nice. May fish soup. Ah, kalamay sa Tagbilaran, buhol. Lami paris upan. Ay, Diyos ko. Saon matani. So, I have to put now everyone. This one. The leaves. I put ya. The leaves ya. I hope masura ni siya everyone. Kay lami kay kaon og kuan og utan o puta. Inaani oh. Like this. Kahinayan everyone nga mapiti-piti na ni siya. Out na ni iyang tubig. Kahinayan. Ako'y sugangan anis Philippines inaani everyone dirira. Touchscreen. Sa Pinas everyone kahoy everyone. Kahoy naman tini ng tagkahoy. Diri kay different man diri. Touchscreen. Touch and screen ya. Touchscreen. Wala tingin ni sa ato ang sistema, electric touchscreen. Ayaw pag awas-awas. Kay para di mag-cleaning si Lisa. I hope everybody will be okay. I have to prepare a table everyone. Soon we will eat everyone. Na-pull everyone. Oh, na-pull na. Na-pull na. So, I have to prepare a table everybody. Atuar na siyang ana pagkakaahon lang para di mo awas. La. Mag prepare ako sa table everyone. After prepare table everyone, maybe my honey will go ahead eating cause he will go to the office. He go to the office, everybody. We have to prepare everyone. Table. There's only three, everyone, three plates because my husband will be, my son is not here, I mean, he is in the school. $38 minutes pa, 36 minutes pa everyone, oh. Gaya, pataan. 36 minutes pa. $11:15 pa everyone, 11:15. But I make ready the table everyone, ha? I put this one everyone in the table. The plates, yeah. Wait everyone. Put this one here and the table. You put here, make it ready. Okay. My honey will go to the office, yeah. My honey will go to the office. We have to wait. I have to wait until he come here and they eating, yeah. It's ready a table, everyone. Yes, only along I wait my honey. He has to eat a little bit of fish soup, yeah. Before he will go to the office. Simple pose only today. I make it very quick because he go working, yeah. He go to the work. Ready our table, everyone. Salute. Salute. Salute, everybody. I have to put at the table, everyone. Okay. He has to go in the working, yeah. Working. Ay, nako buhay. I have to make it later. Iron. Ay, iron. Iron, everybody. Iron. Mag-iron si Lisa later, everyone. Yeah. Iron. Ay, buhay. Luto na, oh. Luto na. Ready cook na, yeah. Leaving 20 na. Liars time do. Grabe. The time very quick snell. The time is super snell, everyone. Yeah. My eyes is always outside, yeah. Looking for the nice weather outside. I put in the table iced tea, everyone. Kaya my daughter like iced tea. Ah, hi, so nice the weather, everybody. Oh, very nice the weather, yeah. I hope all is okay, everyone. Okay lang po kami dito, everyone. I-off na ni everyone kaya na. Nalata na. Nalats na. 11:21. Ay. 12 o'clock, my daughter will come home. 12 o'clock pa she will come, yeah. Maybe we go outside, everyone. I have to make in the garden a little bit watering my tomato. My tomato. And maybe I turn off on this one. Maybe I turn off now. I turn off already the fish soup. The rice na lang, yeah. The rice. I have to turn off this one, everyone. It's already cooked, everyone. Oy. I cook this one already 10 over, yeah. Now it's already overcooked na lang. Turn off na. So, power bank is always. I have to go out. I have to give plant water a little bit, everyone. Samahan niyo po ako, everybody. Oy, mag-go to outside. Oy, mag-watering sa plant a little bit, yeah. A little bit, yeah. Mag-watering sa plant a little bit kay it's a very hot na. Very hot na weather today, very hot, yeah. Go out, everyone, watering the plant. Mag-watering this plant, everybody. Ako'y very dusty na auto, my husband. Because of the flowers that. I give to my plant, everyone. My plant, everyone, oh, beside, oh. That I go in the garden quick because the tomato. This one is my new plant, everyone, oh. My new plant, yeah. Give a little bit water, kay very dry. Very dry. The wind is cold a little bit, everyone, yeah. Little bit. My planta. Eggplant to pieces. My tomato is the hero also. So, ang atuan tangag tubig, everyone, yeah. Inahanglan is yung bisan. May sayuti everyone. Oh. I hope he survive. Yun, yeah. Walay dahon na upaw. I hope survive na siya. Eh. Baka may eggplant ya. Look everyone. Oh, that is my plant. The beans is not yet out yet. On the here is the crack already. That is the sibuyas bombay. Yeah. Here. And the here is the cucumber 2 pieces. Yeah. Ah. That is the cherry. Starting now. That is also the sweeping buyas bombay. Here is the kalabasa everyone. Auto. Salad. Mall only everyone. My garden. Important we have yeah. Important we have yeah. Tuwas na refill tubig. At least sa tagaan na ako akong tanom gamay everyone. May plant ya. Busy Lisa everyone, very busy. Grabe busy ha. Ano man siya natumba man siya eh. Natumba man eh. Tumba. Kuha tayo tubig everyone. Water. Here is the free water everyone. Free. In the front of my house yeah. Front of our house. Very easy to get the water. Nahangla ta magbisbis tanom everyone. I have cherry tomato here also. Cherry tomato. I have to give water ya. Dah. Plant to. Hero. May chili hero. Chili. Chili everyone. Later I have to give mini water ya. Here. Plant here ya. I have to give water a little ya. Because now it's a little bit. The sun will be go out today ya. Not easy everyone. One only hand, so you have to make it with one finger only you have to use. Sibuyas bombay na everyone. Swivel. I have to give butter. Ay, Diyos ko. Paitalisuran. Wa tayo kameraman. It's only me. Difficult everyone. Difficult. Laban ka tayo sa buhay everyone. Laban. Nahanglan tayo magbisbis kay nahanglag tubig atong tanon. You have to turn flat. Ay, pass mo. Bruno. Very easy to get water everyone. Very quick only. Get water. Watering plant. Yeah. Watering the plant everybody. Look at that. My plant all here around. If you have a plant in your house everyone. Very nice your house everyone. Beautiful. People looking only the plant. It's not looking to your house. Just me looking your plant. Very nice. Max, make a beauty or palibot ba around your house. Yeah. Very nice. If you have plant, yeah. Basa pa man siya everyone, pero mas mindot ng bisbisan. Basa pa. Pero nice if you have to make a water, yeah. Very quick, I'll go out of things if you make water, yeah. Here, a crack already. Oh, that's the sign. The sign of the Sibuyas Bombay will go out, yeah. Very nice everyone. If you have a plant, it's much more better, yeah. Important if you have a plant, yeah. You don't have to buy always, yeah. It is very important, yeah. "53 minutes, everybody." Ay, have a railing, everyone. We cannot go here, everyone. Have a railing. I have a hose there, everyone. Oh, if I'm tired, use that hose, yeah. But we have it, we have to use the in the pasong kaya that is for free. For free only, yeah. In the pasong, you have to use for free only, yeah. That goes here, Brunner, yeah. Brunner. The Brunner is for free. The municipal will clean this one here. Municipal. Get on the water. Get on the water. For the water in plant, yeah. Here tayo everyone. Very, very quick. Here is a shortcut, yeah. Here is a shortcut. Have to make it to here a little bit, yeah. The salad, everyone needs water salad. Water. Salad, everyone. This one is the kohlrabi. It's water also kohlrabi. Here is the lauk. Yeah. So, we go shortcut everyone here. Here. Here is a shortcut, yeah. I have to ask my husband still what is the time he like to eat. My flowers also everyone. Oh, here beside outside in the door. Yeah. Here is my plant. What is the time you like to eat? Huh? You like to go in the office?
I go in the office now.
And then you have to eat na. I make spretzen. Watering plant. Ay, Diyos ko God. I-close na eh. I make watering plant.
Yeah.
Finish in the garden niya. Here lang around the house. Later pa, I make the later and finish the cooking na. Ik warten on the side, yeah. Ik biter makin the sabi pero if you like to eat, the food is ready. Yeah. The food is ready. Ay, everyone, oh, my flowers, oh, needs water. You have to put water, everyone. You have to put water, yeah. Nice flowers, oh. But I have to refill here. Some is patay. Some is dead. This one I have to take off, and this one I have to change. I have to, yeah. Look, may sibuyas bombay, everyone, oh. Look, oh. Sibuyas dahunan, oh. Very tambok, yeah. Very fat, yeah. So, I have to go, everyone. Get water, everyone. Tinda pasong there the brunner. Butang everyone here in the shadow, everyone here. You put this one in the shadow much more snail, yeah. I have to put here, everyone, yeah. I have to put plant here. Here is the shadow. I have to get I get the everyone look. Here I make watering here everyone ha. May plant here ya, may plant. Wait me here ya. I get water in the pasong everyone sa. Ah, very quick everyone when don't have a cameraman. Just only uh just only I have like this yeah. Very quiet everybody. I make watering everyone ha. I have to continue watering plant everyone. Watering ya. Continue everyone ya. I have to continue. Ah, little bit water. The sun is strong yeah. Strong sun. The sun is strong yeah. Important have a water plant yeah. Yeah. Watering to everyone watering plant. I get water again everyone ha in the pasong ya. In the brunner. Water ya. I have to make a small chak makanya. Chak. Getting hot everyone ya. Needs water plant. Plants need water ya. Nabali na. Needs water plant ya. Nabali. The plants need, my plants need water. That's why we have to give water. Ay, here beside everyone here. Lisod everyone, no, I don't have cameraman. I do not have cameraman. Here everyone, you cannot see with me here. My plant is here, yeah. So, ay, almost finished everyone. Almost, yeah. Fast. Oh, the purse, yeah, it's fast, yeah. Wait till I make it finish. Eh. Cannot see with me. Ay, hope everybody is okay. I'm very busy. Ah, my God. Ah, look. Very busy my plant. Yeah. I'm not finished. Ik ben ook niet fertig. Ja. Ah, plant and plant and plant. Wapa mo turok. Tangkong di sana iburuan. Tangkong is not it go out ya may tangkong ya. Nah, may plant. Kailangan talaga. Utiring eh. Nah, may plant everyone ulo ko. Kailangan talagang utiring ko sa very hot. Max beauty the house if you have a nice plant. Yeah. Look. So, I have one upload to the one upload. The other side one is not finished there. Glitter ya. Glitter. Nakarya. Ah, Diyos ko, Diyos ko, Diyos ko. Yeah. Dali si Lisa og kuan everyone. Oy. Dali si Lisa og kanang utiring the plant. Very hot. It's okay everyone. I'm finished of everyone. A little bit na lang din in the front of the house of my other side. Yeah. I have to make. Kung everyone, oy, kumbati. Na finish man my cooking everyone. What I have to do, I don't like sit down. The best if you have, I have to do my job here. Later, I make iron everyone, iron. Mag-aayon po ako na here everyone. Samahan niyo po ako mamaya everyone. Mag-aayon po tayo. Maybe I have to continue my watering plant everyone to the other side. Beside the house only everyone. Beside. In the garden, I'm finished already. Yeah. Magbababay na po ako everyone. See you next vlog everyone. Please like. Please subscribe everyone to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share please. Thanks for watching everyone. It's lunch time now here. I have to give food to my husband. He go work, yeah. And my daughter will come for the lunch. Bye, everybody. Bye, everyone. Please subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel. Bye. See you next vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you, everyone.